If you want to learn what the top 3 secrets on running Facebook ads are, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my next video on my YouTube channel where you get to learn exactly on how to build, grow, and scale your online business. Now in today's video, I'm going to go into more detail when it comes to Facebook ads. And as a matter of fact, we all know that Facebook ads is a predominant player when it comes to building online businesses. And even nowadays, thanks to the pandemic, local businesses are even focusing a lot of their time, money, and effort onto Facebook ads. So if you are wondering what are the top 3 secrets to running a successful Facebook ads that can turn clicks into sales, then this video is for you. But before we actually get into what these secrets are, make sure that you help me smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So listen, when it comes to Facebook advertising, I'm actually one of the pioneers to Facebook ads. If you remember the ugly looking Facebook ad that is showing on the sidebar with very little text and image for people to see, that's how I actually started my Facebook career and also my knowledge. But as you see, over the last decade, Facebook ads has evolved. And as it evolved, it's actually coming into crystal clear that these 3 secrets that I'm about to share with you are more and more important. So if you're looking to get better results with your Facebook ads, then pay attention to this entire video. So first of all, let's actually dive right into what these 3 secrets are, and most importantly, how it can actually make a huge impact in your business. Now, secret number 1 is called audience targeting. Now, I'm not talking about simply just targeting interests or behavior on Facebook. On Facebook, there are a lot of different types of targeting that you can actually utilize for your business. There's flex targeting, lookalike audiences, custom audiences, interests, behaviors, location, gender, you name it. However, when it comes to really Facebook ads, the entire goal and purpose is that the targeting need to actually be started, then stacked upon each other, and then run what we call open targeting or zero targeting. So let me actually go into perspective with you on this. So when it comes to you, let's say drop shipping a physical product, in the beginning, you need to actually utilize different forms of interest targeting in order for you to actually generate cold traffic. Now, the cold traffic job is to essentially turn a complete stranger into knowing about your brand and the products that you are selling. But once they actually start their customer journey with your business, then the targeting that you need to focus on completely changes. Because now they know about your brand, know about your product, but you need to actually convince them to be turned into a customer. So the audience that you're trying to target are now considered warm audience. These are people that actually expressed interest in your business, but they just haven't bought just yet. And your entire goal with your audience targeting is to essentially build up as much of these warm audience and hot audience, which are customers, so that your Facebook pixel can be trained and seasoned and understand the ultimate objective of your Facebook ads. Once you actually have these custom audiences, warm and hot traffic, guess what? You simply want to leverage lookalike audiences with flex targeting to actually go wider into the market with the cold traffic. So in a nutshell, you gotta basically look at audience targeting very differently. The interest targeting and lookalikes is actually designed for you to get more warm and hot audience. And your whole job is to basically get as much warm and hot audience as possible to allow Facebook to know the exact audience that you want to actually target. So it really boils down into the audience targeting that you're going after, and most importantly, how they actually have an impact in your business and also your Facebook ad account's pixel. So at the end of the day, not just interest targeting is something that you need to focus on. You need to actually have a bigger picture when it comes to audience targeting. So you start with interest and behavior. Then you build up your custom audience with retargeting. Then afterwards, you go back into going a broader market with lookalike. And when your pixel is ready, you basically do zero targeting and going from there. And based on each targeting, the creative or the ad message is going to be very different. That's where we go into secret number 2, which is essentially the ad structure. Now that you understand the difference of audience targeting and what you need to do, each type of audience, when it comes to targeting, it needs a different set of ad structure. Different types of ads, either it is a video demonstrating the product or a testimonial from your customer, it's actually used for different purpose that is combined with the targeting. So let's say that if you're going after the interest targeting of complete cold traffic of people that never heard of you or bought from you, running a testimonial ad is not gonna work out. But if these people are you going after specifically a warm audience, then these testimonial will work phenomenally well. So the way that you structure your ad is also super important. And with this, you're basically needing to follow a specific structure of a template of the ads that you need to follow. So for example, like I said earlier, if you're using a testimonial, you want to use it with the warm audience traffic. But the way that you structure the ad is going to be somewhat looking the same when it comes to the post text and following the IDA formula, which is attention, interest, desire, action. So all your ad structure template should follow these 4, regardless of what targeting you are going after. And most importantly, you also need to actually add in short links and emojis to actually increase your click-through rate. And that's why I say it's really all boiling down to the ad structure and template to follow, backed up by the actual message with the targeting as well. But let me be honest with you. You can have the best targeting, you can have the best ad, but when it comes to Facebook ad, the ultimate secret is really data mining. At the end of the day, when it comes to advertising online, especially with Facebook, you're not just trying to actually get strangers to become customers. What you're essentially doing is investing into the data. The more data that you have, the more you understand your niche. The more you understand the niche, the easier it gets with targeting and ad structure. But at the end of the day, as I said earlier, even if you got the best targeting, the best ad structure, and your data is telling you that it's not workable for you to actually generate profit, then you need to actually fix it. And it's super important that you understand when it comes to Facebook ads, you're not just advertising. You're actually data mining to actually see what is working with your industry, what is not working with your industry, and based on the data, what you need to do with those data in order for you to optimize your Facebook ads to actually get the best result. So in a nutshell, these are really just the 3 main secrets. The rest, you're really letting Facebook do its job with their ecosystem and algorithm. Your focus are always going to be these 3 if you want to turn Facebook ads into profit. And it doesn't matter what you sell, it doesn't matter what you're doing, these 3 are always going to be the core principles when it comes to running Facebook ads. So I hope that this really opened up your eyes to actually see this in a completely different perspective. Now, if you want to learn more, I will provide some links right in the video description that's going to really help you out to explain even further about these 3 secrets. But with this, I hope that you can actually see Facebook ad from a different lens and really help you understand truly that these three are really what it takes in order for you to really drive forward with your Facebook ads. Now, if there's any questions, feel free to leave a comment right down below in the video description. But other than that, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. And my goal is to continuously record videos that are designed to get you results on building, growing, and scaling your online business. And if I missed any different video tutorials that you would like me to record, let me know right in the comment box right down below. Till next time.